Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer campaigns from ActiveCampaign to HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Campaigns section in the left sidebar. Select the campaign you wish to transfer to HubSpot. Click on the campaign to open the details page. Take note of the campaign settings, including the subject line, sender name, and reply to email. Next, click on Design to view the email content of the campaign. Copy all the text and images from the email editor. Open a new document or email design tool in HubSpot. Create a new email campaign. Paste the copied content into the HubSpot email editor. Adjust formatting as necessary to ensure consistency with your original design. Now, return to ActiveCampaign and navigate to the Lists section. Identify the list associated with the original campaign. Export this list as a CSV file. To do this, select the list and click the Export button. Once your list is downloaded, log into your HubSpot account. Go to your Contacts section and select Import. Choose the CSV file you just downloaded. Follow the prompts to map the fields correctly in HubSpot. Once the import is complete, check the contacts to ensure they transferred properly. Next, set up any automation or workflows you had in ActiveCampaign. In HubSpot, go to the Automations tab. Create a new workflow that mimics your ActiveCampaign automation. Add the triggers and actions as needed to replicate the desired behavior. Finally, review all settings, lists, and workflows in HubSpot to ensure everything is set up correctly. Run a test email to verify that the campaign performs as intended. Once satisfied, you are ready to launch your campaign in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.